你好, I am 石老师. So today we are going to continue with lesson 1. Hello. 第一课,你好. Before we start our lesson, let us check the homework for last time. The first one, say 你好 and 再见 5 times every day. Have you done this? 很好. And 你好 means hello. 再见 means goodbye. And the second one, write the pinyin for 你好 5 times in your notebook. Could you please open your notebook? And let us check it together. How to write the pinyin for 你好. 你好. Okay, have you done this correctly? Could you please mark it by yourself? 很好. Very good. 很好. Okay. And now let us think about what we've learned last time. So last time we have learned where China is. Remember, it's a country in Asia. And the capital of China is Beijing. How to say China in Chinese? It is, yes, 中国. And then we've learned how to say hello. Look at this picture. They are greeting to each other. What do they want to say? Yes, they want to say 你好. Could you please practice by yourself? Say hello. Yes, 你好. Okay. Here are the pinyin characters for 你好. And then look at this picture. He is greeting to more than one people. Yes, they want to say 你好. And what does he replies? Yes, he is gonna reply with 你们好. 你们好. 你们 also means you, but it means more than one people, more than one person, right? Then I'm gonna be A, and I'm gonna say hello to you. Then you please reply me. 你好. Very good. 很好. And then you're gonna be A, I'm gonna be B. You say hello to me, please. 你们好. 很好. And then we've learned who she is. She is a 老师. 老师. If the teacher is greeting to more than one student, she's gonna say 你们好. And the students say, how to say hello, teacher? Yes, it is 老师好. Follow me, 跟我读. 老师好. Now I'm gonna be the teacher. I say hello to you first, and then you say hello to me. 你们好. 很好. And then you're gonna be the teacher. I'm gonna be the students. You say hello to me. 老师好. Now, you please practice by yourself. 很好. And then we've learned similar picture, but this time only one kid. Then the teacher should say, yes, she's not going to say 你们好 because it's only one person. So she should say 你好, and then the student say 老师好. Okay, practice this dialogue by yourself. 1 minute, please. 很好. And the last dialogue we've learned last time is 再见 means goodbye, but it's not the time to say goodbye yet. So now let us continue with our new lesson. Today we are going to learn the numbers, 数字 numbers from 1 to 10. Yes. And look at this picture. Here are the numbers from 1 to 10. And also, you can see what are these. These are the gestures for the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, and here's are the characters. And here are the pinyin. Okay, now let's get it started. Okay, the first one, 1. In Chinese is 一. Show me your finger. Same as me, please. This means 一. 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 很好. First tone. Remember, we have 4 tones in Chinese. This is the first tone. 一. 一. 很好. And then this is 2. How to say 2? It is 二. 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 一. 二. 一. 二. Let us count it together. 一. 二. 很好. 很好. And then, how to say 3? It is 三. Here is the gesture for 3. It is 三. 三. 很好. Let us count together. 一. 二. 三. One more time. 一. 二. 三. Now you please try to count from 1 to 3, please. With your fingers. 很好. One more time. 很好. Then let us continue with 4. This is 四. 四. This is the gesture for 4. 四. Okay, let us count together from 1. 一. 二. 三. 四. One more time. 一. 二. 三. 四. This is 四. 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 Okay, you try to count from 1 to 4, please. 很好. Now let us continue with 5. This is the gesture for 5. It is 五. 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 很好. Let us count from 1 to 5 this time. Remember? Give me your fingers, please. 一. 二. 三. 四. 5. One more time. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you try to count from 1 to 5, please. This is 5. This is 5. Let us count together the last time from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. Ready? 开始 start. 1 2 3 4 5。很好。Now let us count. Now let us see this. This is 6. The gesture for 6 is here. This is the gesture for 6. Could you please give me your hand, do the same gesture? This is 6. In Chinese is 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 跟我读6 6。很好。Let us count from 1 to 6, please. 1 2 then 3 4 5 and this is 6 6 6。很好，很好。Could you please try to count from 1 to 6? 很好。Last time, try to count with me from 1 to 6. Ready? 开始。1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6。很好。So do you know that Chinese people like the number 6? 6 in our culture means lucky. Yes, so most of Chinese people like number 6, likes number 6. 6 6。很好。石老师 also likes 6 6。很好。Now let us see this. So we have learned 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 7. In Chinese is 7. 跟我读7 7 7。很好。One more time. How to say 7 in Chinese? It is 7 7. Then what is the gesture for 7? This is the gesture for 7, for 7. Could you please give me your hand? and do the same gesture. How to do 7? How to do 7? Yes, 7. Let us count together from 1 to 7. From 1 to 7. Ready? 开始 start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7，很好。Now let us continue with 8. 8. One more time. 8 8 8，很好。跟我读8 8。What is the gesture for 8? For 8, it is like this. 8 8. Let us count from 1 to 8 with your hand, please. 开始 start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One more time with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 很好。Now this time, you please try to count from 1 to 8 by yourself. 很好。So remember, just now, 徐老师 mentioned that Chinese people likes number 6. 6 in Chinese is 6. And here, this is number 8. In Chinese is 8. This is the second number Chinese people like. It means like you're gonna have a lot of money. Yes. So the lucky numbers for most of Chinese people are 6 and 8. 很好，很好。Now let us continue with number 9. In Chinese is 9. 9 9 9. The gesture for 9 for 9 is like this. 9 9. Give me your hand, do the same. 9. Okay. Ready? Let us count with our hand. Ready? 开始。1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is 9. 很好。Now, count with me one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now, this time, I'm going to give you 1 minute to count from 1 to 9, please, by yourself. 很好。Now let us come to the last number. Number 10 in Chinese is 10. 10. This is a gesture for 10. For 10. 10. 跟我读10. 10. Okay, ready to count from 1 to 10? Okay, let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10. Okay, now please try to count from 1 to 10 by yourself, please. 很好. So till now we finished from learning from lesson from number 1 to 10. Okay? Now let us play a game. Okay? I'm gonna show you the number. You please tell me in Chinese. Ready? 开始. 4, 9. Then your turn, please. Continue. 很好. Do you want to do it one more time? Let us do it one more time, please. Ready? 开始. I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. Okay, so here are the gestures in Chinese characters and pinyin from 1 to 10. Okay, let us count one more time from 1 to 10. Look at here, 开始. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 好, so that's it. Today's homework. Look at here. The first one, try to count from 1 to 10 every day. And then please write down the pinyin from 1 to 10 in your notebook, please. If you need, you can look at this picture and then try to do it by yourself. Okay? Next time, we're gonna play a little game for the numbers and then continue with lesson 2. 好, thank you, 谢谢, thank you. 再见. 再见.